The job description of a data specialist revolves around managing, maintaining, and interpreting data to provide strategic value to organizations. These professionals are vital to companies in various industries, including healthcare, finance, education, marketing, and government. The role primarily focuses on handling large sets of data to ensure accuracy, consistency, and availability for analysis and decision-making. A data specialist's responsibilities span from data collection and organization to analysis and reporting, playing a key part in business intelligence efforts. Core functions of the data specialist. A data specialist begins by gathering data from multiple sources, which may include internal systems, spreadsheets, third-party tools, surveys, or databases. Once collected, this data must be organized and standardized. This process often involves removing duplicates, correcting errors, filling in missing values, and formatting the data so it can be used effectively in business analysis or reporting. Once the data is cleaned and validated, specialists structure it into databases or spreadsheets that are easy to query. Whether the end users are analysts, managers, or executives, data specialists ensure the data is not just accurate but also accessible and understandable. They often act as the custodians of data, safeguarding its quality while enabling others to use it effectively. Responsibilities in data management and integrity. Database management is central to this role. Data specialists frequently work with relational database systems such as MySQL, SQL Server, PostgreSQL, and Oracle. They build and maintain databases, design tables, write queries, and manage data workflows. In some organizations, they are also responsible for developing and maintaining data dictionaries and metadata repositories to ensure consistent use of terminology and data standards. Another vital aspect of their role is ensuring data security. As custodians of sensitive company or customer information, data specialists implement access controls, encryption methods, and audit logs. They work closely with IT and cybersecurity teams to protect data from breaches and ensure compliance with legal and ethical guidelines, such as HIPAA, GDPR, or other regional data privacy regulations. Collaboration and communication across teams. Data specialists often serve as a bridge between departments. They collaborate with IT teams, business analysts, data scientists, and department heads to meet specific data needs. Whether preparing a custom report for a marketing campaign or helping HR identify employee turnover trends, their ability to interpret requests and deliver reliable datasets is crucial. This collaboration requires strong communication skills. A data specialist must be able to explain technical issues in simple terms and listen carefully to understand what stakeholders are trying to achieve. They must also create clear documentation for workflows, procedures, and data mappings so that other team members can understand and use the data correctly. Analytical tasks and reporting duties. While in-depth statistical modeling may fall under the purview of data scientists, many data specialists are still involved in basic analytics and reporting. They use tools such as Microsoft Excel, Tableau, Power BI, and Google Data Studio to create visual dashboards and data summaries. These tools help transform raw data into actionable insights. The job description of a data specialist in some organizations includes conducting regular performance reviews, trend analyses, and summary statistics that aid management decisions. They may be asked to track website traffic, measure customer satisfaction, or analyze sales figures. Their insights help executives and managers make data-backed decisions. Technical skills and software proficiency. To succeed as a data specialist, one must have strong technical capabilities. This typically includes fluency in SQL for data querying and manipulation, as well as familiarity with scripting or programming languages like Python or R. Comfort with database administration and spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets is also essential. Experience with ETL, extract, transform, load, tools, data visualization software, and cloud platforms such as AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud can give a data specialist a competitive edge. As automation becomes more prominent, knowledge of how to set up workflows or automate data pipelines is increasingly valuable. Educational background and training requirements. Most employers require a bachelor's degree in information technology, data science, statistics, computer science, or related discipline. Some data specialists may start with associate degrees and build experience through internships, entry-level positions, or technical certifications. Certifications such as Microsoft Certified, Data Analyst Associate, CompTIA Data Plus, or Google Data Analytics can strengthen one's qualifications. Ongoing professional development is vital in this field. As new tools and technologies emerge, data specialists must stay updated. Online courses, workshops, and vendor certifications help keep their knowledge current and allow them to adapt to changing industry standards. Soft skills and personal traits for success. Attention to detail is non-negotiable for a data specialist. A single error in a formula or data entry can have far-reaching consequences. Precision and consistency are vital, especially when handling critical information used for audits, reports, or strategy planning. Time management and multitasking are also crucial. A data specialist often juggles multiple tasks, from data cleanup and scripting to stakeholder meetings and report generation. Meeting deadlines and ensuring accuracy under pressure are key attributes for excelling in this role. Problem-solving abilities help a data specialist navigate unexpected challenges. Whether dealing with corrupted data, system failures, or miscommunication between teams, the ability to think logically and troubleshoot issues efficiently is highly valued. Working conditions and industry demand. The typical work environment for a data specialist is office-based or remote, with most of the work done using computers and software tools. Working hours are generally standard, though peak periods such as the end of financial quarters or product launches may require additional effort. Demand for skilled data specialists is growing rapidly. As companies embrace digital transformation and data-driven strategies, professionals who can manage and interpret data are becoming indispensable. Data specialists often move into roles such as data analysts, data engineers, or business intelligence developers. With additional training, they may progress into strategic roles such as data architects or chief data officers. Professional growth and career pathways. Career advancement depends on experience, skill set, and the size of the organization. A junior data specialist may begin with data entry and cleaning responsibilities but can quickly advance to more analytical roles. Over time, with the right exposure and mentoring, many move into supervisory or specialist positions focused on data governance, machine learning, or predictive analytics. Performance in this role is often measured by data accuracy, timeliness, quality of reports, and stakeholder satisfaction. Professionals who deliver consistent results and demonstrate initiative are often considered for promotions in cross-functional projects. Conclusion. Toward the end of understanding the breadth of this role, it's clear that the job description of a data specialist is both comprehensive and indispensable in today's data-driven environment. They play a pivotal role in maintaining the integrity of an organization's information ecosystem, enabling others to make sound, data-informed decisions. For individuals with a passion for details, technology, and strategic thinking, a career as a data specialist offers ample growth, job security, and professional satisfaction. Whether entering the field or advancing within it, this role lays the groundwork for a successful career in data management and analysis.